Hi guys, I'd like to introduce you to the SP Quick Flow pump. It's a transfer pump. We can use it to put oil from a container up into the diff, up into a gearbox, up into a transfer case, where obviously it's difficult to try and pour in. So the kit comes with a little drive here. So this is a normal 3/8 square drive in the pump. You could actually use a cordless ratchet or an air ratchet to drive this. In this case, we'll show you how to use it on a drill. So first of all, put the drive piece into your drill, tighten that up. Okay, then you can fit the drill into the housing. Now I've got a rubber strap here. Pull that rubber strap reasonably firm so it doesn't wobble around. Okay, now the fluid comes in this side, we'll go out that side. We've got a series of different pickup hoses here, one for the inlet, one for the outlet, and nice high quality push fittings, O-ring seals so you don't get a mess and leakage. So just to show you what's going on here and the speed at which this operates, we'll just use a little bit of glycol so you can see it as it moves through the hose and as it comes out into the bucket over here. And you can see it's a high-speed transfer of fluid. And of course, if you're just putting oil into a diff, we'd be well and truly done by now.